Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you a new feature that we just released, which is the multi-store dashboard. Now, in the multi-store dashboard, in order to get there, we'll have to go to the side menu here on the side and go to this option, which is for switching your shop. Upon going here, we'll be able to see the total amount of repair shops, the sales from those shops, repairs, and employee count of all shops selected here on the side. With these shops selected on the side, we can either select or deselect them all and individually check or deselect which ones we want to see on the report here. We can see our top repairs and the repairs they have, the best selling shop, and the sales they have racked up in the past month, as well as the best selling day from the first onwards between both shops. We can see a sales report of both of their shops, which is the same as the sales report we already have. This will be including both shops instead of just the one though, as well as the items report, giving us a report of all the items that have been sold, how much it's costed between both shops, and the daily sales report of both shops, where we'll be able to see the cash in and cash out differences between every day with every single report throughout both stores. Now, to access your store again, like you would have been able to do in the past, instead, we will just go into the shop that we want to switch to. In this case, it will be RepairSpots Inc., and we will click on View. Now, another feature on the multi-store dashboard is the option to add another store easily by going to this plus on the side of the repair shops. Here, if you had the plan to add another, it would open the Create New Shop menu. You'll also be able to log out from this screen in the top left with the logout button, and you'll be able to contact us from this button on the top right. Hope you guys enjoy this new feature.